I believe that the YIF is our first offering in our endeavor to create a globally top ranked university in India. What is very special about this program is that we're going to have 50 very talented students from all over the country who are going to get access to some of the best faculty and some of the best education in the world. I think what is very exciting also is that all these 50 students are on 100% scholarship. So this makes it a very, very unique program in India. What is very close to my heart also is, and I would like to narrate through an example, when I was studying engineering, I got an opportunity to do some liberal arts courses. And when I think back, I feel that perhaps these were some of the most exciting courses that I did, or I enjoyed doing these courses. When we look at the whole Indian education system and when we look at our degrees, we find that most of our degrees tend to be very straight-jacketed. You end up studying in economics or a commerce or an engineering, and we are not able to provide breadth of courses to our students. So YIF, I believe, provides that opportunity. There is a breadth of courses across different disciplines. If I were to really think and be able to go back 20 years, I think I would be a potential applicant to YIF. I would really love to do this kind of a course. What is also exciting about YIF is that students will come into this program for the love of learning. Often we end up attending programs which are 1 year, 2 year, 3 year programs more as a degree with the intent to find ourselves a great job or to give ourselves the right education or make ourselves specialists in a particular domain. On the other hand, attending YIF is really for the love of being able to study special courses, to be able to study from some of the best faculty around the world. I think that's what makes YIF very, very exciting. I've had a passion to contribute to education in India, and that's how we set about creating an institution in India that could be globally top ranked, that could take on some of the best universities around the world. I think launching our institute with a program like YIF firmly puts us on that path. It's a program that is going to be one of its kind in India. It's a program that I am proud to be associated with.